Up next on SciFiantasy, Rei Ayanami finale. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiantasy.com and welcome to another YouTube video. So today we're finally going to get to the last part of Mark Dunmore's build on Rei Ayanami. I know it took a while, but the holidays and everything kept us from doing some videos and more stuff like that. But we're finally here and we're going to get to check out the finished product. But before we check out the product, if you build figures, got a question for you. What do you find the most difficult part about painting a figure? And if you haven't yet, come over to SciFiantasy.com, register. We need your help to have the community grow. It's a dedicated site to just sci-fi, fantasy, horror, all that good stuff that falls into those genres. You can post your regular builds and stuff like that. We don't mind that at all because it's models and it's all cool, but mostly it's about the sci-fi and monsters and anime and all that other cool stuff because we love to see those builds too. So enough about that. I hope you enjoy the next part of Mark Dunmore's build on Rei Ayanami. So that's it on this build from Mark Dunmore, and as always, I'd like to thank him for putting his build up here on SciFiantasy, and he's always on the site SciFiantasy.com showing off his work and everything like that. Mark is a really great guy. If you have any questions or anything like that, he'll always help you out. I love how he does the figures. He's a really, really good painter, and he does really good work. So thank you everybody for coming. If you have any questions or comments, just drop them in the comments section below and we'll get back to you as quickly as we can, as we always do. And thank you all for coming over to SciFiantasy.com and checking out the site and posting your builds over there. We shall see you all soon. Have a great night everybody. Take care and bye-bye.